on that dump, I bought 3 tokens on a spot. It's Algo, ICP, and 1H. Now I'm wait only the comeback to close some percentage of this week. I add alert $2.7980 around here, just alert to be ready to understand where we now, and I think more than sure we're gonna test this level and maybe even drop lower. Global targets, guys, here this still in play. Locally it's now it's take profit $11.04, take profit $12.43, and next one it's 15.57, 20.98. Got it. So the lower we dump, the less gains we will see in percentage, for the future. So if, for example, when we traded here at $9, the target like 38 sounds not so amazing, right? Now from $1.50, for example, the target like 38 sounds wow, just unbelievable. I don't want to even talk now about the 86. So guys, everything depends of how low we're gonna drop. If, for example, just in theory, if the ICP on a spot will drop under $1, for example, to 50 cents, the target $15 will be wow. Just amazing. So the market, it's always in dynamic, and we can work only with the current data. Our decisions can be right or wrong, and we will see it's after the facts when the price section will be formed on the charts. So now let's talk. Let's confirm once again. Buy line now 555. Take profit 11.03, exit line 12.45 on weekly. Daily, I'm more than sure we're gonna test the 50% of this range, maybe even test the fundamental value. It's $2.38, and here I add alert. So this alert not to open position, this alert just to be ready to understand. So we are here. It's for the future. I don't want to buy the ICP anymore for the spot, no matter how low we're gonna drop, even to 20 cents. I don't care. So this is my plan. I just share on my channel my plan. Take profit line on the daily, it's $6.30. Exit line $7.09. This one. If we go from the buy line now to this area, guys, once again, don't be so greedy. Fix and withdraw initial deposit. Got it. Take a look now on a weekly time frame. The FIB of this week. So we can drop even to. Let's adjust it till penny. And here, 232 will be more than okay. At 232, $2.04, probably I'll try to open some futures position. Here, the fundamental value now line around the 0.5 low by FIB. So we still got like 9 days in October. So this will be just brilliant if we're gonna dump to 232. After that, it would be good if Trump postponed the decision about the China tariffs and we see some bounces. But guys, once again, this is a extra hard mode cycle. So every bounce, especially on the spot, do not freeze the money. Just when you see the 100% profit, just withdraw initial deposit. 12-hour time frame, we tested the buy line. So I wish to see the 50% of this range, like buy line and fundamental value. So yes, like 232, $2.04 would be good. Take profits on 12 time frame 565. Exit line, this liquidity pool 638. Monthly time frame looks just an amazing. Just an amazing for everybody who opened a short here since 2024. All right, so this is a local zones based on this dump and based on take profit indicator. Now let's double check on the smaller time frames, guys, what's going on now. Usually, once again, when you see this type of weeks, it's more than okay, it's more than healthy correction if we come back and close the 50% of this week candle. And that's why for me personally, it will be much more better if we drop now in the next 9 days, so I can open the scalp position, so maybe intraday position, and right to the $6 to $7. Then we pump now and come back to close this week in November. So just in case. The BTC dominance, guys, 59.64. I hope a BTC dominance top it, because if not, we are in a big trouble, even bigger trouble than we are now for alts. 1 hour time frame, so it looks like a range. Looks like a range. It's on a Binance, and by the way, here it's was $1.16. So let's just double check on other exchanges. $1.80. All right, looks much better. All right, let's count the week on OKEX, for example. Here, 265, 244. And the same story. All right, let's count on the Bybit, I guess 179, so probably the same like on OKEX, HTX, 164. So approximately like 244, $2.04, more than okay to try open longs. And let's double check on the futures. Propero, come on. This one. So the lowest point was 185. Oh, this changed everything. So yes, if we talk about the futures, probably yes, here 267, 248, and it will be more than okay also to take to try open some longs. That's why if we talk about a spot position, let's go back to the spot. I think if you want to buy here, 260, $2 and $4, it will be more than okay for accumulation, I guess. Can we drop under 50 cents, under $1? Yes, of course, guys, easily. Nobody knows the future. That's why I just share my idea. I add my alerts to try open long position. Let's double check what's happening now with the ICP based on indicators. Here was a time to fix a profit. Kind of weird, when every single time when you won't believe so the indicators data, I'm all the time understand sometimes better reduce the position, reduce the risk, reduce the size of position. If you was here in that range, so imagine every single candle, it's 12-hour time frame. So we just trade in a tiny range, $4.67 and $4.33. So 30 cents range, and the ADZ showing us this is a time to sell. So it was a distribution zone. Now we dump it, and now it's accumulation. Nice one. It's middle on daily on ADZ. It's neutral, not a bearish, not bullish. Nice one. Weekly fun, but we didn't see the accumulation again. So accumulation was here. So I hope they will start accumulate soon also. So this is some live streams. Come on. Internet computer to hold live stream on YouTube. Who cares about that live stream? What are you talking about on that live streams? Can you explain on the live stream why the price of the token dumped from 800 to $1? So is it possible to answer this question on a live stream? Also, some guy asked it in the comment section why I'm about the ICP, why I'm talking about ICP, and not buying the H bar. Guys, just because the ICP dumped lower, and that's why I can't buy every single token. That's why I choose for speculation ICP. So it's pretty simple. I don't care about ICP. I don't care about H bar. That's why I chose that token, which was in my watch list. So I see the dumps, see my alerts, and I press buy because I tracked that token. H bar I didn't track. So now based on 4-hour time frame, market's mood. Disbelief, 12 time frame. Disbelief. It's good, it's bullish. Daily, disbelief. Weekly time frame, capitulation. Nobody want to buy the ICP anymore. Monthly time frame, we are in capitulation zone since May 2025. So I hope it's going to be the last dump for now, at least for now. So it's good, it's bullish, guys. Money power monthly. Some money in was here in June at 430.31, and we ended like 625. Now we're at the bottom once again, guys. Based on risk ratio, we can't know are we going down again or not, but based on risk ratio, now we at the bottom, so underrated. So it's still okay time to buy. That's why I bought it. My average entry, I don't remember exactly. I'm not carried the knives on $1.17. No, my entry was around like $2.10, I guess around $2 my entry for ICP. So I'll be more than happy, to fix the profit 100% and out of ICP with the free tokens for the future. Weekly time frame, guys, no money inflow yet after the dump, nothing. Daily, some money inflow was September 25. We bounced it, but now nothing. It's kind of weird. And last indicator, take profit. I showed you trade on, guys. Take profit. It's good. It's good from that sell. Jewel sell. But who could predict? So we need to sell. So we just traded in the range. It's kind of weird, Everybody waited, so we're gonna break this high, and even in the spot or the futures, and we saw the signal to sell, buybacks, and here's the final take profit. So wow, it took us. Take a look. 80 days. Wow, 80 days from that sell, take profit signal finally. And here was a signal to buy. That's why I wish to see one more drop like this one, some consolidation, go higher, and one more signal to buy. And in this area, we'll be more than okay to fix the initial deposit. So this is it, guys. Just now work with this zone. Don't focus on crazy Moonboy's targets. Add alert and just wait. If, for example, the token not drop to 277, I don't care. I don't want to trade it. So pretty simple, guys. And the 12 time frame also buy, a recommendation close position, buy. Wish to see more signals to buy. 4 hour time frame buy, take like a recommendation close position, buy, recommendation close position. I wish to see one more drop. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what is your plan for ICP locally. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget your Game Show. See you next time, guys.